I'm sorry to bother you. I'm having a bit of a rough go of things. Can I just sit with you for a little bit? Is that all right? Yeah, thanks, man. I appreciate you. Sorry. Just been having a bit of a rough day. So just... Hey everyone, Alec here at Dherbs. Today I'm going to be telling people I'm having a rough day. The first person who offers to talk with me about it is going to get $100. Let's get to it. Just been having a bit of a rough day. So
Of course.
yeah, sorry.
Anything like just stressing about finals or something?
Yeah, it's been a mix of like things just kind of start like piling up.
Especially with finals. Like at its worst.
Yeah. No, yeah, and that's. It feels great just to get to talk to someone. I'm Alec, by the way. Sorry.
I'm Nate.
Nice to meet you, Nate.
I always set up a pressure on myself too. It's like good to remind yourself that like the stakes aren't always so high, and ironically, like once you do that, then you start doing better, right?
Yeah, no, for sure. Yeah.
Yeah.
This little bit has been quite wonderful for me, and I thank you very much. And real quickly, I actually want to let you know. So I actually work for a company named Dherbs, and we like to film shows where we see people will do like kind gestures for us.
Okay.
And so as long as you're alright with it, we've actually been filming you over here.
Oh, well, hello.
And so what we like to do when we have people do nice gestures for us, we actually like to reward them and give them $100.
Oh, really?
Yes, absolutely,
Oh
just for you.
God.
Yes. And so I just want to say thank you so much, for taking the time to chat with me. And like I came over to ask you, tell you I was having a rough time. Like, why'd you decide to chat with me?
If someone like approaches you and is in a bad sort of situation, whether they're like stressed or just need to talk to someone, like I don't see the point in turning them away.
Yeah.
Like, and also just like me myself, all my social interactions and friendships so far have like thrived from people like coming up to me and actively seeking me out. So I think like whether it just be to help someone or like to establish a good sort of connection, I think like it's always better to just accept someone with an open mind rather than turning them away,
Absolutely. No, I appreciate that. Yeah, and that was really well said. And we appreciate you even just taking the time to chat with me today. And this was a very heartwarming moment for me getting to shoot this with you. So I thank you so much for just taking the time. Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you, Dherbs, for this opportunity and for the reward, I suppose.